Welcome to Moja Hills, an exclusive ultra-modern development in Unity Hall, Montego Bay. Tucked away in a lush green setting just seconds away from the main road, this community seamlessly blends contemporary living with tranquility of nature, delivering both luxury and convenience. Moja Hills has first-class amenities. Residents will enjoy access to a state-of-the-art fitness center equipped with the latest technology. Additionally, there's a pool surrounded by tropical greenery, offering a perfect retreat for relaxation or for entertainment. The apartments have a general parking area, but the townhouses have 2 parking spots in front of them. This property is a gated community with 24-hour security and surveillance cameras. This development consists of apartments and townhouses. The townhouses are 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and the apartments are 2 bedrooms,